All right, guys. So we are back here again with our video this morning. Um, it's been a while. We haven't posted any video yet, so I decided to record today and post. So we are gonna see if we can get in this market today and make some profit. You know, it's possible we might not make profit, but our goal is to make some profit here today. And before I used to trade the ES, the S&P 500, but since I discovered the Nasdaq, I prefer it more because it moves a lot. If you compare it with the ES, it's always like moving 2 to 3 times, like the S&P 500. So I decided to trade it because you can get more profit in it. But equally so, if you are losing, you lose faster and more. Depends on your risk management. So, but anyway, we're gonna jump in here this morning and try to make some profit. We see that from overnight here, this market continued. I think it's been kind of let's see, chips. Yeah, it consolidated here. The market consolidated here since since yesterday, right? And we just saw that. I'll be convinced now. I'm biased. I want to go to the upside because if we look at this here, I know there's too many lines here this morning. I don't like too much line on my chart. Let's go up here, go back. So we see that the market is in an uptrend, right? So we see that it made a pullback. The consolidated right here, of course, but it hasn't broken down to it hasn't broken this control swing low yet for me on the trend. So I'm still kind of biased to buy to go to the upside. And we see that, we're just at 20 points now. We're at 33 points. So, after we finish doing that, I'm gonna just go look and see if that is in the uptrend. When is this, market going to finish? Like trending to the upside. I'm kind of biased. So I think we're gonna start right here where these big moves happen. That's where I think we're gonna start at. Um, I think that's where this trend is going to end, somewhere around here. So we're just gonna go here on a lower time frame. We saw how fast this moved to the upside. So we're gonna go on a lower time frame and try to find a level where we can place our trade. Just delete that. I don't like too much line on my stuff. We're gonna buy 2 contracts here. So set it up here. Risking 7 points times 2. Let's put it up a little bit, or downwards a little bit. So actually 3 points. 3 points times 2. That's 6 times 20. $120. That's risky and see what we can make. And then also I'm using the simple moving average here. So if we go on here, we see that price is still kind of below that, and price is trying to keep going up to it, but it keep getting rejected. So what we're gonna do is we'll just patiently wait. We almost got filled here. Yeah, I'm gonna patiently wait. I'm gonna pull my order down a little bit, and that's the thing. The thing here is that we see that this bottom right here. I think I gotta learn this platform more, but we see that this bottom right here keep acting as a support, right? We see what happened. It came out of here, bouncing it, went all the way high, came all the way down, bounced right on it, went up. It's consolidating. We don't know what can happen. The market can either move strongly to the upside, like we predicted to the upside there, or it can come back down here. But I'm looking more towards the market moving to the upside, and we see that happening consistently fast, right? So okay, what I was waiting for, I've seen it now. It's confirmed. It's above. That's above there. I'm gonna set my price right here. Let's see if we can buy. We can buy right here and get in this trade. Okay, shooting up, shooting up. And guys, just on this account right here, it's $100,000 take profit account. This is prop firm. So our goal is to make $6 grand in total profit. Our profit goal is $6,000. And as you can see up here, oh, sorry, let me show you right here. And as you can see up here,
Order filled.
Okay, we just got in that trade. So our goal to make 6,000 with all $5 grand. We got roughly about 7 more days to trade. So I don't want to jump into anything too crazy, because there's been so many times that I was very close to my my profit target, and then for some reason I blew my account, which that kind of sucks. Doesn't make any sense why, but we're not going to allow that to happen with this account. So we're going to see. Now let's go on crude oil. Crude oil is another instrument I'm proud of that trade. With crude oil here, we're already on our trend. We see that this market is trending to the upside very aggressively. Little pullbacks here. I predicted this yesterday. I didn't make money off of it because I couldn't trade my account. I already made my profit I was supposed to make for the day. So that's one of the things with the consistent rule. You can't pass a certain amount a day. So this account here, this trade here is not going in our favor like we wanted it to. It's kind of against. So the worst thing that can happen is that we'll get stopped out. We'll lose 300. Best thing, we'll make a lot more. So we just hold on. Let's go find another opportunity somewhere else in the crude oil market here. So we see that it's in an uptrend. Okay, cool. We'll pass that. Let's go and see where this market can potentially, this trend can potentially end. And I'm gonna find a place right here for that. So I see that right here. But the thing is, this may be a double bottom is a triple top right here. But I'm convinced that this market right here, it already pulled back to previous level, and I think it's going to shoot to the upside. Okay, still kind of losing on this market here, 300. Okay, not good. Probably we got in too early. Probably on this trade. 300, we're down $300 now. That's not the end of the world. Worst thing that can happen, we'll lose that. And then we'll just find another opportunity. The goal is to be able to take 3 trades, 3 good trades. Doesn't have to be perfect. If we lose all 3 of them, we just exit out of the day. But if we make some money on it, cool, and we just keep going with that. So anyway, going back to crude oil, I think we can still get some more little profit from here. Let's take some of these lines out. Too many lines. Okay, I really think that this market is going to come up here to this place right here to 82.50. I really think so. So what I'm
Stop filled.
Because if you look at this guy here, it broke above a little bit, and I think it did close above. It made a pullback. Yeah. So let's go back and see. Okay, we got tapped out of this account. Sorry, not the account. We got tapped out of this trade. And so, that's trade number 1 down. We are down on the day $689. Can we make that happen? Can we bring it back or no? But let's see. I'm pretty sure we will. Our performance on the day is 25%. We're down 689 out of the max we made on the day was $280, but we lost all that back to the market. No problem. We can eventually still make that money. Going back to crude oil here and predicting what we think could possibly happen. And if I look at this right here, earlier I said that the market is a trend. Consolidate this right here. Oh, wait a minute. Truly. Make this bigger so we can see it. I see that the market pulled up here, pulled back, previous level tested, and then pulled back up here, previous level tested. See how the market shot up, came back down. So it's possible that this can keep going, but I see that only a simple moving average here. Let's go 15 minutes. We see the market is below the simple moving average here. So we're just gonna wait for the perfect timing. There's nothing as perfect timing, but we are going to wait to find that sweet spot where we can take our trade. I'm kind of looking at right over here. Consolidate this right here, this triangle. Right here is where I'm looking to take my trade. But I really see that this right here could be it. I'm looking more towards this right here to take my trade. Yep, right here. Okay, thank you. Do I have to use today? Okay. Yep. Anyway, that was just so the platform trading. That's the platform. Take profit trader right here. Oh, give me all my information now. Okay. Let me go back. Sorry. Okay. So here we go back. We see that we got step out of this market right here. The market is moving down. This candle closed before above the previous candle. There could be a candle. Okay, we'll just wait for the perfect time. We're not going to get in that market. We're not going to mess around with it. Let's buy 2 more contracts. Set it up for the right timing. Pull this back down a little bit. Just go in the 5-minute chart. See if we can place a trade. Let's delete some of these lines. Hit too many lines on here. So we just set our trade right here. I'll take this off. We see the market is aggressively moving to the downside. So we can't really do much on there. We just have to wait. Play the waiting game. Play the waiting game. That's all we can really do. So yeah, whenever I feel like trading is, trading platform is one of the best ways to go about trading instead of risking your own capital. The worst thing that can happen is, let's say for example, let's go back to this. Let me get out of this on my account. So this is the platform I'm trading. It's called Take Profit Trader. Right now, they actually have a promo code going on called the $1 Million Madness. The guy who founded it, he's a former NHL player, National Hockey League, whatever. So he does a lot of promo code around sporting events and stuff like that. So, but anyway, the point here about leveraging is that, as a beginner trader, you have your own account, for example, right? I don't know how many people have 50 grand sitting around, or 150 grand, or 25K just sitting around using that. I don't know. But if you are just starting, instead of using your own capital, where in case something go wrong, statistically, 90% of day trader lose money. In case something went wrong, you're gonna lose all 25K. You know, let take the 100K account for example, right? Now, worst case scenario, if you lose, the max you're gonna be losing is 330 out of. Probably way less than that, because if you do that with 40% too as well, let's calculate that. So 330 times percent. It's 330. So $198. Like if you bought this account now with this promo code, the worst thing that can happen as a trader is that you're gonna lose 190. And for leverage, you're gonna be controlling a 100K account. And with a 100K account, it's easy to make 500 a day, 200, $300. Even if you're making $300 a day with a 100K account, on average, not every day you'll make that money on average. Let's say you know, whatever you make on average, at the end of the week, you're making 300 a day. That's $1,500 a week times four. That's $6,000, right? That's a decent amount of living you can earn right there, and you can do it within hours, few hours of your day. You don't have to answer to a boss and all that kind of stuff. So, um, yeah. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm not using my own capital right now. I did it before. I lost a lot of money on it. But with these platform, I just have to be patient with them a lot, because I tend to blow a lot of my account, honestly, because I want to like finish making my profits overnight, which is not good at all. So the best part about waiting, anyway, we're going back to our charts here. We see that on our trend chart, um, I determined the trade on a 15-minute chart because I placed my trade on a 5 minute. So we, oh my goodness. So we see here, we see it's getting ugly here, right? Um, let's go back on the 15 minute. This is exactly what I was waiting for, guys, right? Even though I had a bias to the upside, but now the fact that this control, first of all, let's go back on the high time frame and see the reason for this moving back. I see here that, okay, let me take this trend line off so you can see better. I see here that this, no idea why that's happening, but all I can say right now is that this control, I consider this the control swing low, is broken. If we go back on here, 5 minute chart, damn, that's some nice candle right there, right? If we're in a candle by this time with 3 contracts, that's some decent money you'll be making right there, right? So it's kind of scary right now to gain this trade right here. I'm gonna wait. Actually, I think there might have been some news, and that's another thing too, where that I have to get used to looking at the news. Okay, I see. That's why it's. Oh, yep. Power is speaking. That's why the market is moving that fast. See, that's one of the things I have to keep in mind. Put down the side. Um, dang, what am I doing? Wait, you need what the hell? Anyway, so power is speaking. That's why the market is moving that crazy, right? We are not gonna get into that. We don't know what's going on. I'm not gonna get into that. I'm just gonna wait. Kind of want to buy to get a pullback, but that's a risky game to play. Yeah. Damn, why it froze? What the hell is going on? Wait, what? Oh, I think the platform. Good thing I was in a trade. Um. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Please try again in a few minutes. Okay. So yeah, the platform is giving some trouble here this morning. I'm gonna have to log out of here. Okay. Well, see, I was trying to buy to get a pullback. Anyway, it's back again. That was some type of glitch from the platform. But I was trying to. Oh my goodness! Look at that candlestick. It's like just ripping 5 minutes. It's like what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 points. More than 50 points. 20, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If I got in there with 3 contracts, that would be 3 grand. But anyway, we don't play those kind of games. We see that the market is in the downside right now. I'm looking for some type of pullback to get in the market and write it down. Or it might just come back. Like you see here. So even though we didn't take the trade, but this is what I'm predicting the market to do here with oil. I think it's going to go here and then just explode to the upside. Let's see if we can try that and take some contract. Might work, might not.
Order
work.
filled.
So let's see if we can raise some money on that. Moving too fast to the downside. But hey, no one hurts to try it, right? Risk just a little bit.
Stop filled.
Something is wrong somewhere. Okay, let me refresh this platform. Okay, my internet is working great. This platform is acting out. I'm gonna have to get the support here and see what the hell is going on. Okay, I think of it is glitching.